Yeah, the front camera is a bit fuzzy because of the glass cover on it, but today is the 27th of August 2022. It's almost a month since I made the last video and the progress on the tomato plants, so I'll show it to you now. The rear camera is 4K and it's very clear. This plant at the corner of the house, the corner of the plot, has reached 6 foot. Actually, this is one of the original ones that were in the garden and survived the slug eating massacre. Look at that one. There's flowers everywhere. Little tomatoes. Oh, look. Tomatoes. This species is called moneymaker. So they're always very hardy and very good. This is 6 foot. Almost, I say this is as tall as Usyk, World Championship boxer. But more exciting. There you are. So I've pruned that rose bush. So I'm gonna prune that one. It's not time yet. But have a look at that one. But these are the rest of them, right? So these are growing. These are growing, but they've got their little flowers, etc. I've tied them all to sticks so they grow upright. So these are all like, say, 4.5 feet. Unlike that one, which is 6 foot 3 inches. So they're growing. I haven't watered them too much. As you know, in London, it rained a lot about 10 days ago. Almost flooded the place. And I've flowered it a bit intermittently since then. Look at that one. Clump of tomatoes from the thing. This was a good sign. And I think there's some nice tomatoes in there. Nice ones there. I don't even know if they're money makers. Look at that one. Fruit. Look at that one. So it's all nice and beautiful. So today is the 27th of August, Saturday, Monday's bank holiday, and I'll give you a shot from far. And in 2 months, it's done massively well. God bless. Look at that. Except for that one, which is 6 foot and a bit. Right. This is the state of the beans this year. Look at that. We're going to get a few, not that many, because when we cut down the trees and the branches, we damaged the beans, runner beans plants, and that damaged some of them. But we're going to get a few. Not that many, but something. And this is the climbing rose bush. I cut that down. I don't know if it's going to make something this year. Right, there's a few beans in there. Look at that one, a few. You can count them with your hands really. Not that great. Pluck them off, put them in the curry. That's the way. Pluck them off, chop them up, wash them, chop them up, put them in the curry. There you go. Thank you. So that's the update from Saturday the 27th of August. Excellent.